Hello students of Standard First, DAV Mall Public School, Sita Songi welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha. Today we are going to learn new topic and the name of the topic is Golu's Shop. This topic is taken from your English reader. So let's start. What happened with the Golu? Look at this picture. This is a shop where Golu is selling so many things, means cake, sweets and lots of things. Have you seen any shop? Yes, I have. I hope you have seen shops, na? This is Golu's shop. Whose shop is this? Yes, Golu's shop. This is Golu's shop. Ravi and Rinki come here every day. Who come here every day? Yes, Ravi and Rinki come here every day. There are sweets in the shop. There are sweets in the shop. Chocolate, ice cream, cakes and lots of. There are cakes and ice cream too. There are cakes and ice cream too. Here comes Rinki. Who comes here? Here comes Rinki and Ravi. Where? Yes, in the Golu's shop. Look at this. This is Golu's shop and Rinki and Ravi comes in the shop. Ravi wants an ice cream. What did Ravi want? Yes, Ravi wanted ice cream. And Rinki wants a cake. Who wants a cake? Rinki wants a cake. Here is an ice cream. Look at this. Who gave the ice cream? Ravi wants ice cream and Rinki wants cake. So Golu come with ice cream and cake. Here is an ice cream for you, Ravi. Here is a cake for you, Rinki. Golu said, here is an ice cream and cake for Ravi and Rinki. There are 5 pups near the shop. Look at this. These are the pups. There are 5 pups near the shop. Pup is the dog's baby. Dog's baby called pups. There are 5 pups in the shop. They are looking at the cake. Pups are looking at the cake. Look. Look here, they jump. Look here, they jump. Who jump? Yes, pups jump. There are 5 puppies near the shop and they are looking to the cake. They jump on the cake. They jump. Rinki cries, ooh. Golu comes to the children. Here is your cake, Rinki. Rinki says, thank you. Golu means the shopkeeper once again brought a cake for Rinki because the pups, look at this, you can see in the picture, the 5 puppies are eating cake and they destroy the cake. So Golu come again with a new cake for Rinki, so that Rinki says thank you. Read this lesson, children. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Meet you again with new video.